Hello, I'm Alex Houston from Student Futures, and I'm your careers advisor for the School of Psychology, and I wanted to personally welcome you to Cardiff University. You have access to a wealth of support to help explore your options, build your confidence and discover your potential. Don't worry if you're not sure about your career plans or even find it a bit daunting. We're here to help every stage. You can book appointments to meet with me to discuss anything about your career ideas, from what options there are with my degree to CV and cover letter help. You can even book a series of coaching sessions to dig deep into your aspirations and support you in finding your dream career. In your school, I run workshops and events tailored to you to enable you to meet recent graduates and industry experts who want to share their stories. And there's lots happening in the Centre of Student Life every semester, so drop in to see us in Student Futures on the first floor. So why not access work experience opportunities to give you a chance to try out different careers and see what works for you. We have a team dedicated to source amazing opportunities, and they're perfect to fit around your studies. We're proud to support the diverse students at Cardiff University, and we know that some talented students can find it more difficult than others to find work experience. So our team also provides flexible opportunities to fit around your schedule and your needs. If becoming a global citizen is important to you, then we offer different opportunities to work, study, or even volunteer abroad. Go to places like China, America, Europe, and more, and get to experience new cultures whilst enhancing your CV. And don't worry, we have a range of bursaries and funding opportunities to give everyone the chance to go global. Throughout the year, you'll be able to attend careers fairs where we'll bring the employers to you, speak to companies to find out about their graduate schemes and maybe discover something new. Look out for the next Futures Fair happening soon. Not sure working for someone else is your thing? Our enterprise support helps you be your own boss, from freelancing to tech startups. We'll help them all. If you're not sure where to start, then I would recommend signing up to Cardiff Award. This is Cardiff University's Employability Award, and it provides step-by-step guidance, putting you in the driver's seat of your career and enabling you to reflect on what you're looking for. It's recognised on your HERE, Higher Education Achievement Award, so it's your way to showcase what you've achieved. All of this and more is available from day one of your studies, whether you're an undergraduate, postgraduate or postgraduate research student. If you'd like to find out more, just search your future on the internet and log into your Student Futures account. It's never too soon to start thinking about your career. Why not book an appointment to see me or pop in to see your team on the first floor of the Centre of Student Life?